Taking a look at my screen right now, you will see a real Exness account with 422 US dollars inside it. This is a real Forex trading account which I started with 300 US dollars. And in this video, I will be showing you my trading history, my wins and my losses. And most importantly, do a live withdrawal from my Exness account to my crypto wallet. Please note that Exness still supports other withdrawal options like Neteller, Skrill, etc. Now, just before we get started, I must state categorically that Forex trading is risky. And I recommend that you always do proper risk management and do not trade Forex with funds that you cannot afford to lose or funds that you cannot afford to play with. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can as well lose money. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Today and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw money from your Exness account. Now, this is a live MetaTrader 5 account and this is my Exness account. Okay, you can see I'm refreshing right now and these are the trades that I've made and the profit I made today. Okay, this is an account that I started with $200, and if I go to my history, in fact, let me go to settings so you see this is a real account. This is not demo, this is a real account. Okay, if I come to my history right here, this is history, you can see some of the trades that I've been taking. They've not been all wins. I'm not the person that is perfect. I claim I'm a guru or whatever. No. Yeah. You can see sometimes I lose, but most times too, I make more profit. You can see this is a real account. This is a real account. In fact, if you click on each of the trades, you're going to see the time I placed them. You can see, look at the date, 13th of September 2025. Look at the time. Okay, if you click on it, you'll see all the details. Okay, so if you look at this account, I deposited $300. I've withdrawn $90 already, a total profit of $212. Yeah, so this is a very good record. Okay, so far, and look at my current balance. So we're going to do a live withdrawal. Okay, yes, when you are making money, when you make money, withdraw your money and go and buy Lamborghini. So I want to go and buy Lamborghini right now. So when I go to my Exness and I refresh, it is still the same account. You can see right here, everything legit and straight. So to withdraw the money, I'm going to withdraw in 122 and leaving my capital. Okay, that's how I do it. What you're going to do is, you see this withdrawal here, that's not the first thing to do. Okay, I know you would like to click withdraw. No, the first thing you do, come to these three lines right here. I say three lines, I mean three dots. Yeah, click here and you click on transfer. Okay, and it's loading up. You click on transfer between your accounts, the first one, and then from here you transfer to any place you want to withdraw into, or you want to keep your money. So I want to transfer to crypto wallet USDT TRC 20. So I click here and I transfer 122 USD. Okay, so I click on continue. No commission, that's very good. I click on confirm. This is very good, I love it. So I go back. Okay, go back. Allow 1 minute or refresh. Now you can see my balance is now 300. Let's quickly go back to MetaTrader 5 and let's refresh. You can see my balance has become 300 right here. Okay, if I come to history, you can see it right here. I've withdrawn 122 one time. We don't need to waste time. Look at it, all the profits withdrawn. You can see. Yeah, so right now what you're going to do right now is now towards click on withdraw. Click on withdraw right here, and I can now use what TRC 20, USD TRC 20, and I select from here. You can see my money is right here, looking at me, my Lamborghini money. So I select it right here, and the minimum is 10 USDT, but I want to do all of it so I can buy Tierra Lamborghini. Okay, I want to buy fairly used. So this is $122, and then I'm going to put my USDC TRC 20 wallet address right here. So straight and direct to the point, I go to my Bybit. This is my Bybit or Binance. You can withdraw to any place you like. I don't have any money inside my Bybit right now, but Lamborghini money is about to come in. So I click on deposit. I click on deposit crypto, and of course you know how we do this. Just get your address. Okay, we're not new to all of this. TRC 20. So I copy my address. Okay, and I paste my address right here. Okay, and next I click on continue. Make sure you're not sending to a wrong address. Okay, so I click on confirm, and voila, confirmed. Okay, so just allow a few minutes and I'll check back. Okay, on Bybit. This is very good. This is very good. Okay, yeah, it doesn't waste time. Let me even remove my do not disturb, so when the notification pops in, we will know. Okay, let's look at it. I withdrew by 12 minutes after 12. So let's just have a look at it. Okay. And then for those that want to learn my strategy, okay, if you want to learn how I make money here, feel free to join my Telegram channel, okay, or send me a DM. And remember, I don't offer free courses in Forex. No. It's paid, premium, paid payments. Yeah. So if you want to join my Signal group, yeah, I have a plan for that. If you also want to join, if you also want me to mentor you on Forex trading, I also have another plan, payment plan for that. Okay. So don't come and say, so you are charging money. Yes, I am charging money. Yes. Watch this video for free. And don't DM if you are looking for free payment. Okay. Please. Nothing good is given for free. Okay. Yeah. So we are still waiting. It's 1 minute. 1 minute has gone. 1 minute has gone. 1 minute has gone. Okay, you can see the opposite of 122 is awaiting confirmation is just 1 minute. It took 1 minute. 1 minute and it came in. Okay, you can see right now. So we are waiting for a few more seconds for it to get confirmed, and I'll check out and we'll check my Bybit, and that will be all for this video. Also remember that trading Forex is risky. Do not trade with funds that you cannot afford to lose. Do not borrow money to trade Forex. Do not come in with your house rent or whatever. Okay, because in as much as you're making money, Forex is risky and you may lose as well. Okay, so you can see the deposit has been confirmed, and let us go and check out my Lamborghini money. Okay, so I come to Bybit right here, and let us go back. You can see right here, funds received. Thank you for watching, and that's how you withdraw from Exness. Thank you, my friends, for watching this video till the end. If you gained any value, give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like twice and let me know why in the comments. Also, kindly let me know your video ideas in the comment section. If you want me to compare different Forex brokers and say the one that is my choice or that is my favorite, let me know. Or if there are other things you would love me to make a video about relating to Forex trading. And with that being said, I will see you, my friends, in my next video.